In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download IMO. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, this process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get the app without any confusion. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. You'll usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a multicolored play button. If the Play Store asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account to continue. A quick tip before you proceed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, and a bit of free storage space. This helps the download go smoothly and prevents interruptions. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type exactly IMO International Calls and Chat. As you type, you should see suggestions appear. Choose the one that matches this title. On the app's page, take a moment to confirm you're on the official listing. Look for a recognizable app icon, check the category as communication, and glance at the ratings and reviews. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're getting the real thing. Now, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar that shows how far along it is. The time it takes can vary based on your internet speed. If you're prompted to allow certain permissions or see a brief note about what the app can access, that's normal for communication apps. You can review these details and proceed when you're comfortable. While it's installing, avoid closing the Play Store or turning off your device to keep things moving. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open, and you'll also see the app appear in your app drawer or on your home screen. At this point, the download is complete. If you prefer to explore later, you don't need to open it right away. The app is now ready whenever you are. If you encounter any hiccups, common causes include low storage, a spotty connection, or being signed out of the Play Store. Freeing up a bit of space, switching to Wi-Fi, or confirming you're logged in usually resolves these quickly. That's it. You've successfully downloaded IMO from the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new app.